the child. Green, adorable, and possibly deadly. The Mandalorian isn't the only one who wants to keep him safe. Today we are going to learn how to make a stable little terrarium to feature your very own adorable alien life form. First, let's talk supplies. Begin by getting some fake moss and perhaps some sticks. Pick up some rocks for your foundation, and then you're going to need some black colorized sand and some succulents, plastic ones recommended. Then get a small glass bowl or terrarium jar to place them in. Lastly, you can make the child from clay, which you can paint appropriately. Molding clay set for 24 hours works best. Now let's start assembling. Begin by pouring a small layer of black sand to cover the bottom of your jar. When that's finished, lay down the rocks all around the perimeter of the jar. Then pour some extra sand on top. And then you can begin placing your moss or sticks in as desired. Put any succulents in last and arrange so that way you have a small space left over in the front. This is for the child. There he is, home sweet home. Now, let's check out the final project. What a lovable face. I just hope that the stormtroopers can't find him here.